Chalo, I'm all ready. So first we're gonna go to Thanjavur Brihadishwar temple. That is the reason I came here today. We're gonna try explore Chola Empire today. So now I need to pack all my cameras in a bag and then we'll leave to the temple. Thanjavur was capital of Chola Empire from 9th to 12th century, and Cholas are famous for art, music, literature, and building mighty structures which are still standing since nearly 1500 years. Brihadishwar temple is a Shiva temple constructed around 1003 to 1010 AD, and it is famous because of its massive tower, Cholan architecture, inscriptions and sculptures related to Shivism and Vaishnavism. The Gopuram on this tower is a 80-ton single-stone rock carving. They built a long 6-kilometer ramp and had to use elephants to carry it to the top. Out of words looking at this temple. Saraswati Mahal, Thanjavur Palace and Museum are the must-visit places in Thanjavur. చలో అన్ని తిరుగుడు అయిపోయింది, ఇక లంచ్ చేసి రూమ్కి వెళ్ళిపోదాం. అండ్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు స్టార్ట్ టు కన్యాకుమారి టుమారో. సో ఐమ్ గోనా కవర్ ధనుష్కోడి అండ్ కన్యాకుమారి ఆన్ a single day, but I don't know if that happens or not because the weather report showing that it's gonna rain heavily tomorrow. I don't know what to do now. I don't want to get stuck here and I don't want to get stuck in the rain on a road. Let's see. చలో డన్ విత్ ద తంజావూరు. ఆ వర్షం ఏదో ఇలా పడితే అయిపోతుంది, రేపు పొద్దున ప్రశాంతంగా వెళ్ళిపోతాను నేను. చలో ఐ విల్ జస్ట్ చిల్ కొడితే కొద్దిసేపు రూమ్లో. ఐ విల్ ప్యాక్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్, ఐ విల్ గో టు స్లీప్ అండ్ విల్ స్టార్ట్ ఎర్లీ ఇన్ ద మార్నింగ్ టుమారో. ఐఎమ్ ప్లానింగ్ టు స్టార్ట్ at 4 o'clock in the morning. I don't know if it happens or not, but let's try. Good morning from Thanjavur everyone. Time is around 6 in the morning and I packed all my luggage. Now we are leaving to Dhanushkodi now. Room అంతా చెక్ చేసుకుందాము, సారీ అన్నీ చేసుకుందాం లేదా. I'm all packed. बजरंगबली की जय. It started. I thought to start at 4 a.m. అంత సీన్ లేదు కాబట్టి ఇప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ అవుతున్నాం. ద టైమ్ ఈజ్ అరౌండ్ 7 a.m. now. చలో లెట్స్ హోప్ ఇట్ డజంట్ రైన్. ఇంత దూరం వచ్చి మై జర్నీ ఈస్ గెటింగ్ డిస్టర్బ్డ్ బై రైన్. So there is heavy rainfall happening in southern Tamil Nadu right now. The Google is suggesting not to travel because the roads might be affected by floods. In the night, don't go on there at 2. Heavy to very very heavy rainfalls annadi. And right now Kanyakumari is the most affected area. And ivanni pakkana pedte inta dooram vachi Kanyakumari la sunrise sunset chudakapothe waste. Andaru dani kosame potaru Kanyakumari ki. And it's all cloudy now, and if it stays like this we won't be able to see sunrise or sunset. And the weather report showing that it's gonna be like this for another 5 days maybe. Biscuit aipotadi 5 days etla I won't be staying at Kanyakumari. It's fine. I'll try to be quick today. Innamar daka I was all like there is no hurry, but today I have to cover 600 kilometers, so I'll push myself today. So far I've traveled like 500 kilometers in Tamil Nadu. Chennai lo tappa roads were good everywhere. Tamil Nadu is all nice, man. The weather, the nature. నాకు మస్తు నచ్చింది తమిళనాడు. ఒకటే ఏంటంటే హ్యూమిడిటీ ఎక్కువ, మజా ఉన్నాయి రోడ్లు అసలు. ఐ డిడ్ సమ్ లైక్ 70 kilometers in half an hour maybe. This road is taking me through some nice villages. Weather కూడా మజా ఉంది, and my energy levels are very high. So let's try to make as much distance as possible without taking any stops. So, and the reason I'm rushing today is we have to go to Kanyakumari today itself. I don't want to take another stop now. So if I reach Dhanushkodi early, I can spend some time in Dhanushkodi and then I can start to Kanyakumari. I don't want to ride at night. It's gonna be, there will be oncoming traffic on roads like this, so it's gonna be a bit risky and it will be very exhausting. 140 kilometers to Dhanushkodi, not 150. I think I've covered a lot of time. లొకేషన్లు మాత్రం సెక్సీ ఉన్నాయి. జోష్ వస్తుంది బండి చూస్తుంటే, ఉరుకుతుంది బండి. ఐ నెవర్ రివ్డ్ మై బైక్ సో మచ్ like this, man. Let's have some chai here. Let's take a rest. More 127 kilometers. Let's have some chai. I've had one of worst chais today here. రైట్ నా తమిళనాడులో మీరు ఛాయ్ అంటే వింతగా చూస్తారు. ఇక్కడ వీళ్ళు టీ అంటారు, దీన్ని టీ అంటారు, ఛాయ్ అన్నారు వీళ్ళు. ఛాయ్ తాగుతుంటే అన్న ఉన్న టీ అన్న అన్నది, అన్న ఉన్న టీ అన్న 2 టీ అన్న అన్నది ఇస్తారు. ఛాయ్ అంటే అని చూస్తారు. ఇట్ స్టార్టెడ్ రైనింగ్ అగైన్. ఐ థింక్ ఐ నీడ్ టు put my GoPro inside and I should wear raincoat now. I hope this storm pass away. Man, ఇంత దూరం వచ్చి వర్షం వల్ల ఆగిపోవడము, ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఫెయిర్. The last road of India to Bay of Bengal, at Indian Ocean, and straight over to Sri Lanka. Man, Dhanushkodi is the beauty. If you wanna have peaceful time away from traffic and crowd at Dhanushkodi, avoid endpoint and choose an isolated place at anywhere in the middle. Now Kanyakumari, I don't know if I can go to Kanyakumari or not. They are saying that they are not allowing vehicles into Kanyakumari now. డేంజర్ ఆకలి అవుతుంది నాకు. ఫస్ట్ అన్నం తిందాం, తిన్నాక ఏం చేయాలో నాకు అర్థమవుతలేదు. ఒక్కొక్కడు ఒక్క లెక్క మాట్లాడుతున్నాడు, అన్నీ బంద్ అంటున్నాడు. ఇది ఏముందేమో కేఫే అట రెస్టారెంట్ అన్న, తిందాంపా ఏదటి బొక్కది. హ్యావింగ్ దిస్ వెజ్ థాలీ. I had proper South Indian meal after a very long time. Annam, pappu, kura. I hope you can hear me properly because I have removed the mic to make my camera waterproof now. So I think it's gonna be raining until we reach Kanyakumari. So there will be no audio from now on because I have removed all the mic and mic adapter, all the things. So I heard a quote once which says it's only scary until you jump, and I went into that situation on that day. The locals were warning me not to continue my journey because of storm, and I was also concerned about the road closures and riding through floods in dark until I entered storm. And once I entered storm, I stopped caring will I make it or not. I was fixed in my mind that I won't stop until I reach Kanyakumari.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time.
Kanyakumari.
कन्याकुमारी में इप एंजॉय नहीं है
तमिल नहीं आता फोटो నిన్న మొన్న మొత్తం రోడ్ మీద వాటర్ వచ్చినా కావచ్చు ఇక్కడ దేర్ మైట్ బి ఎ లిటిల్ వాటర్ క్రాసింగ్ హియర్ ఐ డోంట్ నో
I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
రోడ్డు మొత్తం కష్టపోయిందిరా మొత్తం వేర్ల కాడికి వెళ్ళి లేచినాయి చెట్లన్నీ పడిపోయినాయి ఈ ఊరు మొత్తం మునిగిపోయినట్టుంది దిస్ విలేజ్ ఈజ్ నియర్ తుత్తుకుడి సి ద వాటర్ లెవెల్ ఆర్ స్టిల్ అప్ I think it might have recovered today or yesterday night maybe. As I was nearing Kanyakumari on my bike, I realized behind the handlebar is the only place where I felt alive. Where it felt life is fun and interesting only when we conquer struggles. And the only place where I was smiling facing troubles.
Way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time I'm alright.
What should we do? Should we wait?
Each and every day, the past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
Traveling is not only about beautiful places or sceneries, it's about what you experience, and it only comes with solo travel. I don't know why, but I am keeping on rubbing the tank of my bike as if she's feeling it like a real person. I may sound crazy to you, but thousands of kilometers మీకు బండికి మీరు అన్నది తిరుగుతూ ఉంటే కొన్ని డేస్ తర్వాత మీకు అది ఒక పర్సన్ లెక్క కనిపిస్తుంది. You will even talk to it. Finally, we made it to Kanyakumari. I don't even remember when was the last time I said the word. I made it. And these achievements are to satisfy me. Society opinion la he made it అనే పనులు చేయకుండా నాకు నేను I made it అనే పనులు చేయడానికి ట్రై చేస్తున్నా. అండ్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ యూ మైట్ ఫీల్ ఇంట్లో అచీవ్మెంట్ ఏముంది, పని లేదు పాట లేదు, బండి వేసుకొని తిరుగుతుందని చెప్పి మీరు ఫీల్ కావచ్చు. ఇట్స్ ఫైన్. You can relate to me only when you also do it, and I really want you to experience it. Chalo, I'm all sweaty and tired now. Let's find a room. Let's find a nice room, have a bath, and let's go to sleep. We have to wake up early in the morning tomorrow to watch sunrise. Let's hope we'll be able to see sunrise tomorrow. So yeah, I got this room. Let me show you the room first. The thing with Kanyakumari is you have to bargain here. And you have to have the patience to search for rooms for a better price. I got this for like 900 rupees with the GST. He told like 1300, 1500. I bargained. I got it for like 900. If you're coming solo like me, choose budget friendly rooms. Let's take a bath. Then I'll have some dinner, and then I have to edit few videos, and I'll go to sleep. We made it to Kanyakumari.